The Whispering Trees Call, Part 2, The Wind Spirit's Trial. The spiral path of light led the friends deeper into the unknown, into a forest where the air shimmered like tiny stars, and every leaf hummed with hidden magic. Liam walked ahead with a single promise in his heart: I will bring Lara back. Soon, the ground beneath them ended, and a trail of floating, glowing steps hovered in the air. Izzy tested one with a bounce. Whoa, it holds me! Okay, this is officially amazing. Elfy stepped forward carefully. This is ancient magic. Very ancient. Danny grinned. Adventure level, super epic. Liam took the first step, stable, glowing, warm. But suddenly, a low rumble echoed through the sky. Leaves spun upward. Wind twisted into a spiral. The air shaped itself into a tall, swirling figure. The Wind Spirit. Wind Spirit, echoing, gentle yet powerful. Lara is safe, but to reach her, you must prove your courage and your friendship. The wind erupted. Friends separated. The storm split them apart. Izzy was thrown into a high branch. Danny slid down a spinning windslide. Elfy struggled to stay balanced. Zephyr's wings shook. Liam nearly fell from the floating trail wind spirit. Let me see if you can stand without each other. But Team Zephyr was not the kind to give up. Elfy reached toward Izzy. I'm coming! Hang on! He stepped forward, but wind threw him back. Danny wrapped his tail around Izzy. Got you, buddy! Izzy giggled breathlessly. Thank you, Danny. Your tail deserves a medal. Zephyr spread his glowing wings, protecting everyone with calm light. Stay close! I'll shield the wind! Liam shouting. Everyone, come to me! Hold on to each other! If we stay connected, the storm can't break us. One by one, every friend reached the center, holding hands, scarves, paws, wings, forming an unbreakable chain. The wind softened. Wind Spirit. One test remains. The Wind Spirit murmured through the air. One test still stands between you and your destiny. A tunnel of swirling wind opened. Inside it, a voice. Lara's voice. Liam, come to me. Liam tried stepping forward, but the wind pushed him back. Elfy grabbed him. Danny grabbed Elfy. Izzy clung to Danny's scarf. Zephyr held them all steady with glowing wings. Together, step by step, they pushed forward. Finally, Liam reached the front of the tunnel. He called out, full of heart, Lara, we're all here! The wind tunnel shattered into soft air. Silence fell. And then, from the light, Lara stepped forward, safe, smiling, waiting. Wind Spirit spoke gently. Lara was never in danger. I called her. She carries a rare gift, the Heart Echo gift. She can hear the voices that ask for help. Wind Spirit looked at Liam. And you have proven something greater, that true strength comes from friendship. Lara ran to Liam. I knew you'd come. Liam smiled. Always. The Whispering Tree had brought them together. But this was only the beginning of the adventures waiting ahead.